So today we are going to be learning how to do floating chalk art. What you need is a bucket, some paper so that you're a bucket big enough so your paper fits into it. You need some chalk pastels and something to scrape the chalk pastels with. Now with your bucket, you're going to want to put a little bit of water in there, but not too much, just enough to cover the bottom. So your first step is going to be picking colors. Now you can do one color, 2, 3. I'm going to do 4 today. Let's go with orange. I'm going to pick red, purple, and I think my last color is going to be green, if I can grab it. Perfect. So now that I have my colors picked, I'm going to grab one, and I'm going to grab my scraping tool, and I'm going to scrape it into the bucket. You want to use enough color so that it shows up on the paper when you put the paper in the water. And now my next color, I'm going to do some orange. Okay, and now I'm going to grab my green and I'm going to scrape, but I'm also going to scrape in such a way that I cover most of the area of the water with it. And now I'm going to grab my purple, scrape a little bit in there, go a little bit around. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to grab my paper and I'm going to lay it gently in the water so that it goes flat. Press down on the corner so it all gets some, pull it out, and lay it down flat. See, I missed an area right there. So now that we have finished, we're gonna let the paper dry and so that you can see what it looks like when it's completely dry and how vibrant the colors are. But now we have to do cleanup. This one is pretty simple. All you have to do is take your bucket full of water, dump it down the drain, wipe it out, rinse it out, and you're good to go. Make sure you clean up all of your chalk dust that flew everywhere, unless you were able to get it in the bucket. So, this is what it will look like as a finished product. I did a few other samples, and then I also did one using regular chalk for a chalkboard. And this is how it turned out. It kind of just soaked the entire sheet. The colors mixed together, so it's better to use a chalk pastel than it is to use regular chalk. So now that you know how to do floating chalk art, I hope you do go home and try this. I hope you enjoy it very much, and thank you for watching my video.